I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Now today's Wednesday, and there won't be a Thursday or Friday video. I'm going to be kind of hard pressed getting all the things done that I've got to get done while having family over. So I won't get this project finished. Probably won't get any projects finished this weekend. But I am going to be working on doing the trim here in the basement. But to get that accomplished, I got to not be running the camera. Camera adds way too much time to the job. So bear with me. I'll show you the basics of what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. And then you can work from there. Now, I'm not a professional. Trim work and I do not get along. But I've learned a few tricks over the years to make it work. Perfect joints. They're a goal, they're not an actuality. So I work towards them. I know that I'm not going to get there. Well, it's down the stairway, not exactly how I planned it, but it's down the stairway. One nice thing about carpeting, I don't need knee pads. Now, one of the things that I've learned over the years is marking in place is better than measuring. Have a little bit of tolerance on the length because I have to put a cope at the end of it, but not much. I mean, maybe 1/16 of an inch that I can fix. Using an improvised stand because I don't have one down here right now. And I don't want to lug down a heavy thing, and that works quite well. When all else fails, improvise. It's another way, and using this coping saw makes the best use of the time and material. Since this is MDF, cuts kind of like paper. So that's not necessarily a bad thing. Shove that up there and make a mark. Now that's going to sit in there like that and make up for the imperfections in the corner, like these joints that don't quite tighten up. It's not a perfect option, but I think it's better than having the large gap. And especially over here. Down at the bottom, I think the cove molding is just barely going to fill that. That was the biggest cove molding that Menards had, and I'll just have to work through it. As I'm working on this, hopefully things go well. If not, I'll back up and try something different. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.